This is going to be a DIY miter saw table. I don't know what else you can use it for, but basically I use 2x6s. And I formed 2 square boxes. One on this side, one on that side. You measure the height, the length, the width of your miter saw. Mine's the Bosch. On the bottom I'm going to put wheels. And the top looks like this. And then these slots here, I have a 2x4, is to put a long 2x4, 8 foot, 10 foot, whatever. And it goes in here. Oops. Sorry. And you could actually put an attachment onto here that will level any pieces of long wood that you want to use. Any length, right? It's pretty cool. Fairly cheap, man. You know, what's 20 bucks for the wood, maybe. Some 2x4s and 2x6s. I think I had a 10 foot and 8 foot 2x6 and 2 8 foot 2x4s. Yeah, so this has been put on with glue and with nails, construction nails in here, steel nails. And you can use deck screws if you want. Deck screws are pretty flimsy though. This is the glue I used. Pretty good glue. And let me show you the wheels. So the wheels, hang on a second. Don't mind the mess. The wheels are 5-inch wheels. Look at that, it's massive. So you measure obviously the height, and that's what it's going to look at when I'm going to put them on in about a second. And then it's done. You stand it up, see if you can see it. So my Bosch saw, miter saw, is 27 inches from end to end. That's exactly what I did the table. I want to conserve space. I put the braces on the inside, and I'll tell you why. Because I'm going to put a ledge inside. So it does 2 things. I might need to trim this. I can bang it in. I thought it fit before. Maybe the other one fits. And then I could I'll put another one on the other side, and I could put a shelf in there, right? Throw scrap pieces of wood or whatever. So yeah, the length is 27 inches, and the width, I think, is, how did I do this? Around 18, maybe less. 18 3/4 by 27. So, and these braces as well are dual purpose, right? So 1, it stabilizes boards, and 2, it acts as that space for me to put some long 2x4s. So I put the saw up. I did it the wrong way. Idiot. So you can tell I'm not a professional, but I did a pretty good job. Oh, by the way, this isn't stain. This is, what's it called? It's a Japanese technique of torching wood. I torch all my wood. Everything's torched nowadays. It gives it a beautiful color, and it preserves the wood. It's like waterproof. It's just gorgeous. I'll never stain wood again. All the wood I do is like this. So in any case, those slats should have gone this way. It doesn't matter. I can still use those as stabilizers, and I'll put something just across here, right, and across the other side, and does the same thing. That's it. The wheels are going on. If you want to see the size of the saw, I can show it to you. I got small kids and other animals. My house is a total disaster. I just snowed a little bit. That's it. That's the beast. It's a Bosch articulating saw. It's amazing. What an amazing saw. The last saw you want to ever buy, you buy a Bosch. DeWalt is good too, but this saw is fantastic. Okay, that's actually my first video ever. And if you have any questions, if you want to know dimensions or anything, but basically it's the height that you're comfortable with, which is why I'm not going to give you the height. Mine's around 32, 36 inches. And the width, you measure your saw and, you know, do it accordingly, right? Thank you, and happy holidays.